Watch the swing on that crate. Clear the area, move it in slowly.
Set point adjusted. We should reach target temperature shortly.
Levels are stable. Recording the change now.
Flow rate is stable, viscosity at 0.9.
Confirmed on HMI. Tank levels optimal.
Sample matches specs. Approved for transfer.
Blue gel color saturation is excellent. Aroma profile is consistent with the reference.
Viscosity on the pink batch seems slightly low, though.
Check the seal on that one, it looks loose.
Yep.
Good catch. I'll retape it now. All right, bring it in slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Coming in. Set. All clear. Next pallet ready.
Look at screen 3. The throughput increased by 15% this hour.
Excellent. The automation sequence is running perfectly.
It's stabilizing now. Reading is 25.3.
Confirmed. Recording the result for batch 4.
Flow rate matches the specifications now.
Readings confirmed. We are good to proceed.
Batch integrity is maintained.
Flow rate stabilizing, temperature dropping as expected.
Confirmed. The cyan line is holding steady at target.
Okay, lift it high. Clear the truck. All right, bring it down on this stack. Easy now.
Ensure the gel flow remains consistent across all nozzles.
Looks good from this side, maintaining steady output.
Clarity is excellent, and the texture profile is consistent.
I concur. Purity confirmed.
Is that centered?
Yeah, secure now.
Double-checking the expiry on these. We can't afford any mistakes.
The scanner shows everything matches the manifest.
The increased flow rate is stabilizing the reaction gel as expected. Yeah.
Data confirms stabilization.
Preparing the next sequence now.
Volume is holding steady at 58.5. Consistency is optimal.
Acknowledged. I'm finalizing the batch report now.
The reading is holding steady at 235.4.
Confirmed. The sample meets the specifications.
Look at the difference in clarity between stage 2 and the outflow here.
It's much better. The process is optimized.
Pressure levels are stable. Initiating the final robotic sequence now.
Target temperature achieved. 18.5 degrees Celsius. Stable flow.
Parameters confirmed. System is nominal.
Parameters locked. Starting the cycle now. Looks good. The fill levels are calibrated correctly. Viscosity is stable at 29.0.
And the pH remains at 2.9. Specifications met.
Weights confirmed accurate. Ready for dispatch. Seal and ship.
Temperature stabilizing at 72 degrees.
Confirmed. Holding steady.
Consistency is holding up well. Smooth texture, very neutral flavor profile as expected.
Clear the area, watch the lift. Moving to extraction now. All clear on this side.
The refractive index is slightly elevated here. Does that match your findings for batch 52?
Yes, confirmed. I've documented the deviation.
Mixing looks optimal at 150 RPM.
Thermal imaging confirms stable temperature distribution. Good.
Record the readings.
The data shows we can handle a higher throughput.
Increasing speed to 15.5 meters per second.
Scan confirms flawless production at the new rate.
Clarity is high.
Meets specifications.
Data confirms 99% efficiency.
Make sure that's secure before the next layer. All right, got it. Keep them coming steady.
Did you verify the count on pallet B6?
Yes, 42 units confirmed. I'm updating the manifest now.
The flow rate is fluctuating again.
Adjusting the pressure valve now. That should stabilize it.
We're reaching peak filtration capacity.
Data reflects significant improvement in gel clarity.
We need to clear this section before the next trucks arrive.
All right, moving the Europe freight out now.